Hi and welcome back at the building site of Team Virtue. It's beginning of September and we're here on the campus of Eindhoven University of Technology. In the background you can see that we've started Demounting Link, and before I give you a tour, safety first. Today we're packing up Link, as I said, to transport to Dubai. However, transporting a house is not as easy as packing up your suitcase. So let's have a look of how it's going. So this is not as it was before. This is pure chaos. So this is how our technical room looks, completely naked. So this is one of the crates with all the small parts of Link. Together with the bigger parts and other crates, it's going to be transported to the port of Rotterdam, where they're going to be put into sea containers and then shipped to Dubai. Well, see you in Rotterdam. Hello, today we're here at the port of Rotterdam and we're here to go to Vladderak, our packing company. And Simone will show you around.
Let's go! So, this is the most important container, so let's start with this one. In this container our core module is located, so if we lose this one we lose the core of our building, which is of course a very big problem. So let's not lose this one. And here you can see also something very interesting. This is the printed concrete bench that we're also taking with us to Dubai. But I see something way more interesting happening over there, because that big box that you see there is Stella Lux, the solar car from Eindhoven University of Technology, also a student team with which we cooperate. So let's move there and let's see what they're doing now. Now we're going to go to the big boss, Puk ten Hope. Puk! So, what are we doing here today? Because you're in charge, of course.
We're packing up the last things, and I hope we're done for. I hope we will finish today, but I'm not sure.
Okay, so a little bit stress?
A little bit stressed, yeah.
Okay, hey Mohammed! Okay, nice. We will manage, we will manage, we will definitely manage.
We're nearing the end of this day and we're about to close one of the last containers, which will then be shipped to Dubai by Reines, our logistic company.